Here, and sorry I haven't been posting a lot of videos, and as you can tell probably in the background behind me, it's raining, so let's just go check that out. So it's raining outside. It's raining. Look at this. I don't know if you just saw that, but it is flooding. Literally flooding. So like, dude, I'm at my window right now. I'm like, look at that. Wish you can't even see it. But like, look at that. It's flooding. I don't know if you saw it, but it's flooding out there. It's flooding. Hey, making a video. Look at this. Oh my god. You guys heard that? Like, look at this.
You know you all over my phone, girl. You know, because we got the same thing.
It's flooding outside, people. I don't know if you saw that, but look. It's literally flooding outside. Look. Dude, the water.
You stay here. I'll be back. I'm not going to go to work today. I don't want to leave you at home like that, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you want me to go to work? You stay
No, I don't want you to go to work.
Be back, Mom.
Okay. But it's flooding. It's flooding. Dude, it's literally flooding. Look at that. Making a video. Ooh, look at our Christmas tree. My Christmas tree. Christmas time. Christmas time.
I'll be right back.
Okay. My dad's leaving. Bye, Dad.
I'll be back.
Okay. Dad just left. Just went into my room. But guys, I want you guys to stay safe, and I wish you best wishes, because if you are anywhere near Texas, if you're in Texas, it's probably raining right now. Probably raining or flooding, because if you're in Texas City, it's flooding. So hopefully I don't have to go to school tomorrow. Sorry I haven't been posting, by the way. I've just been really busy with school and homework and boring stuff, kids' life. But if you guys went to the Christmas party, there are 9 days until Christmas. Woo! Oh, sorry. But there's a lot been happening since I've been making videos. The lighting from here is coming from my light right there. It gets really hot. Oh shoot! But it's storming out there. Look at this. Look at that. Can't even see through the window. It's so raining. What? Dude, I can't speak English, but it's so it's raining hard out there. So I wish you guys the best wishes. Stay safe and have a good day. You thought I was gonna end it? Yeah. Well, you thought I was gonna end it? You're right. Peace.